Hey guys, this is Tim. I recently received this garden tool organizer to do a review on. So let's open it up, look at its contents, put it together, and let's see how it works. Okay, we have, it looks like the top rack, the garden tool organizer instruction. Well, that's pretty neat. There's a black diamond plate bottom shelf there. Nice. Okay, place these four legs to the side frame using the tools provided. Okay, we got the four legs installed on the bottom plate. It may have to be tightened up just a little bit. I'll do that toward the end. Now we'll assemble a side frame. So this appears to be a very sturdy garden tool rack, painted black. All the components are metal, screwed in very tightly. So let's put it to use. So overall, I'm very pleased with this garden tool organizing rack. It's very sturdy. You've got some hangers here to where you can hang your garden seat, or different things. These metal slots, I think there's around 35 or so of these. You can hang garden tools there, and it's very sturdy and will hold a lot of tools. So I highly recommend this garden tool organizing rack.